Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a frugal foodie tip. So I wanted to take a minute and show you guys something really quick. We're in the middle of this COVID-19 hot mess, and when you go to the grocery store they don't always have what you need, or you end up having to get something else. So I just wanted to show you something really quick. This is a bunch of radishes. And usually you think, oh, I'm going to cut this off and then I'm going to throw all this green away. Well, don't do that. You can save these greens, and if they're really, really small, you can put them in a salad. But it's best to wash all this really well. They get really sandy because, this part grows in the soil. So they get really, really sandy, like potatoes. But wash all this really, really well. And you can saute this greens like you would spinach or kale, like turnip greens. And they're really good. So there's another little life hack. Save the green. If you don't want to eat it like this, hey, put it in your vegetable bag that you have in the freezer to make stock. So once you cook up your greens from your radishes, you can enjoy your radishes as well. Today I have just diced up 3 radishes, and I have this stuff right here, spicy dill pickle salt, that I'm just going to sprinkle on just a little bit. Doesn't need a whole lot. And it's just a nice little treat with a little kick, with a little dill, a little citrus. It's tasty stuff.